sister. Oh, hola, hola. Hola, my sister. Sister. It's been a long time living in fear and pain, killing one another like we really don't care. I wonder what will happen if my people lost dreams. For God to fill the spirit like an angel or swings. What this world brings, destruction we all sing. Now we're gonna make sure it stays still, it stays free. Spirit of Ubuntu shall Jano stay still. It's the culture and the language, the dance and big smile. With the someone manging can bucket to keep it alive. Even in these days, life of hard labor, you still learn to live and love with your neighbor. Style buzzes to men, I'm a chita cut to talk. Splash and I'm a people for the Italian God. Genos Milanes and go. Get on who's fine. Corners of the small Kulumente Delicates. We are roaches, one must get the sport against one.
Durban is located on the east coast of South Africa, in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, and in the municipality of eThekwini. It is the third largest city in South Africa and the busiest port in Africa. Durban is also a major center of tourism due to its warm subtropical climate and beaches. The population of the eThekwini municipality is about 3.5 million people. Approximately 1 million live in townships. Approximately 1.3 million live in shacks in slums and rural areas, 800,000 of which live in extreme poverty. The basic form of on-site sanitation in South Africa is ventilated improved pit latrines, or VIPs. The VIPs have a superstructure and the pits are commonly lined in order to prevent environmental contamination at high underground water. They have a tall vertical vent pipe with a fly screen fitted on the top. The vent pipe provides odor and fly control. In eThekwini, household VIPs are usually provided and serviced by the municipalities in the townships, slums and rural areas.
This pilot project, it did lead to the ultimate program, the program that we have in place at the moment, whereby pit latrine owner will have his pit latrine emptied every 5 years, once every 5 years. The current program that we have for pit emptying is run by a managing consultant who oversees the operation. Underneath him, he has a managing contractor who has subcontractors working for him. Each subcontractor has approximately 6 crews, and in that crew there is approximately 5 to 6 people.
My name is Dumisani Majozi. I represent a company called Abaphumeleli Trading. Basically, we specialize in clearing of VIP pit latrines.
Saqeqeshwa siqala ukusebenza kulo msebenzi, sitshengiswa ukuthi amathuluzi siwasebenzisa kanjani, imigomo sibamba kanjani, sigqoka yonke izinto esayinikezwa zokuyiprotect ukuthi amagciwane angasithinti emzimbeni, and sinezinsipho esiyisebenzisayo ukuthi amagciwane angasingeni.
Hayi boy ungahambi awuyaphela.
Seven!
Yes, I know.
That's not checking though. Our number one.
Iyon at the front.
We talk.
In about 2005, we embarked on a project here to empty pit latrines, VIPs, that is, ventilated improved pit latrines, and halfway through the project, we had a problem, in as much as we had nowhere to dispose of the sludge. After closing down these 2 treatment works, we realized that you can't take VIP sludges to a treatment works. It's not designed for that. We then started thinking, and we came up with a design, or we produced a machine called LaDePa, which stands for latrine dehydration and pasteurization. And this machine basically separates the sludge from the detritus, which is very difficult under normal circumstances. It is then deposited at the end of the belt into a heap of pellets, which is then bagged for agricultural use.
LaDePa machine is located at the wastewater treatment plant in Tongaat, a town located 40 kilometers from Durban. LaDePa is an abbreviation for latrine dehydration and pasteurization. The machine can dry and pasteurize the fecal sludge collected from ventilated improved pit latrines within the eThekwini municipality. The first step to operating the LaDePa is to start the diesel generator, which provides the electricity and heat necessary for processing the VIP sludge. The LaDePa should then be turned on and the process parameters adjusted on the control panel. The fecal sludge is fed into the LaDePa heating section in the form of pellets produced by an extruder. After extrusion, the pellets are conveyed by a mechanical belt into the preheating zone, where they come into contact with the hot exhaust gases from the diesel engine. The pellets then pass into the drying zone, where they are exposed to infrared radiation from the banks of 2 successive emitters. At the end, dried and pasteurized pellets are produced. The dried and pasteurized pellets can be handled more safely, with minimum pathogen risk. The pellets are collected and stored in bags. They can be used as a fertilizer, a soil improver, or used as a biofuel.
The municipality have created a test and evaluation centre where we were able to process large quantities of different excreta streams at a pilot scale.
We are now here on the Newlands and Commercial Research Site. A research site where we work together in the eThekwini municipality, different departments. There's the water and sanitation department, the infrastructure management department, which looks at the agricultural side, and the University of KwaZulu-Natal.
The potential use of LaDePa pellets as a fertilizer for crop production was investigated in a study and compared to other fertilizers. Laboratory and tunnel experiments were carried out to determine nitrogen and phosphorus release patterns in maize and soybean in different soil types. Experiments were carried out using 3 fertilizer sources: struvite produced from urine, LaDePa pellets from VIP sludge, and single superphosphate. 3 different soil types were used: sandy soil, acidic soil, not limed, and clay soil. The LaDePa pellets demonstrated potential as a soil fertilizer that provides nitrogen and phosphorus across a wide variety of soil types. The basic form of on-site sanitation in South Africa is ventilated improved pit latrines, or VIPs. In Durban, the VIPs are provided and serviced by the eThekwini municipality, and there are around 35,000 of these. In Durban, VIPs are usually emptied manually every 3 to 5 years using pit emptying contractors. This is a service provided by eThekwini municipality. After pit emptying, the sludge mixed with detritus is transported in sealed containers to a fecal sludge treatment facility. the latrine dehydration and pasteurization machine. During the treatment process, the detritus is separated from the sludge. Then in the form of pellets, the fecal sludge is treated by exhaust gas heating and infrared radiation. The final product is dried, pathogen-free pellets that are valuable as a soil conditioner or fertilizer. Agricultural research trials are currently ongoing using LaDePa pellets from VIP sludge. During the entire chain process, from pit emptying to transportation and treatment, health and safety procedures and the personal use of protective equipment are of high importance. Most common challenges are: 1. Fast filling rates related to trash disposal into the pits by the users, resulting in more frequent need of pit emptying. 2. The mechanized pit emptying is constrained by the high solids content of the sludge, 20% or more, and the trash content in the pits, 15 to 25%. 3. To find the economically viable and at the same time safe treatment solution of the fecal sludge. And 4. Valorization of the product.
Eta. Oh, hola, hola. Hola, my sister. Sister. It's been a long time living in fear and pain, killing one another like we really don't care. I wonder what will happen if my people lost dreams, forgot to feel the spirit like an angel lost wings. What this world brings, destruction we all sing. Now we got to make sure it stays still, it stays firm. Spirit of a world to shall stays still.